Hey guys, my name is Gabriel. Today I actually got a haircut today, and yeah, we all already had our own barber shop where we already did a haircut. But yeah, today is finally the day that I get to private all my videos that are non-Rubik's cubed, like that. So yeah, let's get our screen, let's get our screen back. Get our camera like that, and then get our camera resized. I think should be at the bottom right, and then make it a little bit smaller. But yeah, if you guys want to see my camera much bigger than it, then I can't do it for you because I'm not making a stream. I'm only making videos right now. But yeah, I already private my stream videos, but yeah, let's get our videos. Let's get it in a new tab. Get in the new tab, and then get in here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that these are all private, and yeah, I still had this yeah the I still had this stream, which I still definitely had, but I just privated it because Pet Simulator X is not even available, and Roblox is already completely shut down. So Roblox isn't going to work anymore, and yeah, maybe for that I have to start everything over, but let's see if Roblox is still here. Okay, yes, I'm still logged in here. No, we're not going to talk about that. We're not going to do anything here. But yeah, we already have this same bar that we had in our previous video. But yeah, we're not talking about Roblox that shut down already. But we're going to show you guys that I'm going to private all my old videos that is non-Rubik's Cube. That doesn't have a, yeah. Then likely no one commented it, but I'm just going to show you further, and let's see if I can get some more comments. But yeah, still no comments on videos, but I did get a comment on a YouTube short, and it is let's just get this to 50, and we already don't have any comments. Yeah, again, 0 comments. But I personally had one of these videos have commented, but not anymore. I think I just completely turned off comments in there, but we're not talking about that. But we are going to talk about that. We are going to private all of our videos. So yeah. So yeah. Say goodbye to our non-Rubik's Cube videos. But yeah. Whoa. First I have to get it public on videos, and first um close out the non-Rubik's Cube videos. I am going to private this. How do we actually, yeah, privates are short. Oh, no, I can't private. I definitely have to edit on YouTube. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, I did not have a chance to blur out the camera. But I think I actually already blurred it out because on my recording software. But yeah, we don't have to care about my mom doing that because I can always blur that on my editing software. But yeah, it's time to private my videos. Okay, I muted the sound and I also blurred it out again. But yeah, already our Rubik's Cube on Beat videos already is completely private. Except I can't click on the public or private button. So we definitely have to private the let's set this private. Alright, let's get back. Okay, now two playlists are private, but let's get into the videos and private them. So yeah, say goodbye to our non Rubik's Cube videos because yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going to set it public after a few after a after a few years or days or months or weeks, then I'll maybe set it back to public. But yeah, I am already going to set these guys to non-private, and I'm also going to private this video tomorrow. I mean, no, I have it on the premiere, I think. But yeah, let's just keep privating our videos. But you know what? I am going to yeah get it still this video that I'm still not going to be privating. But yeah, any of the Rubik's Cube videos I'm not going to private. Like these are some of the Rubik's Cube videos. This one is going to be private because it's not a Rubik's Cube video. And this too because it's just a keyboard video for my friend. This one is also going to be private because who cares about no title videos? You don't know. But yeah, we are going to keep privating videos. But yeah, it is almost time to sleep, but we have weekends, so we can sleep as much as I want. But yeah, we are going to yeah. These guys are Rubik's cubes. And I think that's all. Let's look at the next. And I think it is already private. So yeah, I am going to upload this video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching it. And um, uh, I don't consider liking the video, but yeah, still, still be able to subscribe to my channel, so that and the notifications bell turn on. So yeah, then you will be notified. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.